Experience a top-tier craftsmanship with the Zifriend Furycube F75 key, and it's built in from CNC aluminum from Street and Style. And with the tri-mode connection modes, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless allow you to connect with any device in seconds. With a gasket structure and 5-layer of sound-absorbing feeling, the F75 offers an ultra-smooth, quiet typing experience. Customize your lighting with the 16 million RGB colors and easy-to-use knob for full control. So napaka-easy, diba? So let's talk about naman the freebies nitong kasama. Manual, cable, puller, PVT keycaps, switch, at ito nga ay 5-pin, hot swappable, at bago ko makalimutan, nasa caps lock ang kanyang on and off, so tatanggalin mo ang keycaps nito para makita mo ang kanyang on and off. At ito nga ay may sounds na creamy, tacky sounds. And mga ka-keyboard warriors, it's really good for gaming with the ultimate performance and comfort plus. So overall, it's my favorite gaming keyboard. So don't miss this one. Kung gusto mo nga rin ito, ay ilalagay ko na lang ang link ito sa yellow basket. Ayan lang.